Assalamu alaikum students. Today, as you are looking at the screen, we'll do practical demonstration about the topic mail merge. Last time, I have told you about the theoretical concept of mail merge. Today, I will do practical demonstrations how mail merge is activated and how we can use MS Word using mail merge, or we will use mail merge using MS Word, sorry. So first of all, we go to the new file and we write a letter, and we have to send this letter to many of our colleagues which had who has different departments, different city, and different name. Obviously, this is the statement of letter respected, and then that would be name. I hope that you are all safe and sound. According to the new problem in company related to marketing is very tough. So I'm going to call you in my office on coming Monday at 12 p.m. This was the letter from me, and I want to send from this person, and this letter would be sent to many of our colleagues having with different departments, city, and name. So this is the letter that in mail merge, first of all, we'll use. So in mail merge, we can use not only a letter, but we can use email, envelope, memorandum, and so on. But today, the topic is related to a letter. So first of all, the first step, we go to the mailing tab. As you are looking here, the mailing tab is open, and there we go to the start mail merge section, and the first icon is start mail merge. Click on that, and the last option of this is step by step mail merge wizard. When we click on that, and you are looking here on the right side, you are looking here on the right side. Sorry, first of all, this is the letter we have to send to many of our colleagues. This one. So we'll go to the mailing tabs, and in mailing tag, start mail merge sections, and there we choose first icon, start mail merge, and go to the last option of this step by step. So you are looking here on the right side, select documents type. So what type of documents I am going to use that is to be sent to different colleagues? Is it letter, or is email message, or envelopes, labels, or directory? Obviously, this is a letter. So first radio button would be active, and then this should be active, this letters. And then we go to the right bottom point and click on that starting documents. And again, select recipients. Recipients means the members, the colleagues where we want to send this letter. Again, select this recipient, click on that. And there are two portions. In first portion, select recipient, and second is use an existing list. So in first sections, we'll click on type a new list. So we'll click a type a new list, and then go to the next section and create a new address list. So there are already different columns and fields are here, but we have to create and make our own fields. So for this, we have to click on customize column, and there are so many fields which are by default in the MS Word of mail merge. We can delete from this So we will delete all the fields and we will make our own fields according to the letter headings. Sorry, according to the letter. And in letter you have seen that there is a department field, city and name field. So we'll add again, and then first department and next field would be added with city name, and the third and the last field with name, and click OK. So these three fields we have created a list, and then please OK. And we have to, now these three fields have been made by us, and now we have to fill these fields with information. First of all, the department is computer, city is Jung, and name is Imran. So order can be changed according to you. Maybe the first can be name, second department, and city. It is according to you. So it will do according to your own. The second is ICT department. The name is City of Lahore, and the name of is Ali. And for for a new records, we have to use the shortcut key Alt N. As we press Alt N key, automatically this new click will be here, shown on the screen, and the new department is IT and Karachi and Amir. And the last one is, department is admin, Chung, and here is the name of this is ABD, Abdullah. And the last is again computer department, Lahore, and is DNIYAL, Daniels. So these five records are filled according to, sorry, across these fields, department, city, and name, and then click OK. So this is a list, and we have to save this list. I am saving on the desktop with this name, my friends or my colleagues, my friends or colleagues. So it's up to you. So this has been, no, this list has been made, and it has been saved on the desktop with this name, my friend .mdb. It's a Microsoft database. This is another software in which we have created this table and this list, and then click OK. Now after making this list, we go to the again bottom side, at the bottom right side, and click write your letter. Next, and then write your letter if you have not already done so. Write your letter now. So in this page we can write a letter, the statements of letter here, but already we have written the letter in the first page as we started. So the next, to add recipient informations. So there are in the letter, these are the information related to a recipient's department, city, and name. So we have to replace department, city, and name with this options, more items. So in more items, first of all, the department will be adjusted and inserted here. But first of all, we should care before inserting all the recipient informations, cancel for the timing. And first of all, you place the cursor on that field here in department and close this, and go to the more items and insert department here. Close this, and again on city, Again, we go to the more atoms and insert city fields, and city fields would be inserted here and then close. And the last one field is name. And here again, we go to the more atoms and the last field name would be inserted here in this page and close. Now, when we'll go to the next step, automatically there will be, you see that there will be a, in department, there will be department name will be mentioned, city and name. So please go to the next preview your letter and we click on this letter and you are looking here in the list, the first recipient and the first friend or the colleagues with having a different information. First department was computer and the city was Jung and name was Imran. And from here or from these portions, we go to the find the next recipient, and next recipient having ICT department, Lahore city, and the name of that recipient is Ali, and all the statements of the letter would be same. Only there are changing in the list information, recipient information that we have in the list. So next, when we go to click to the third recipient, and the department would be IT, the city name would be Karachi, and the recipient name was Amir, and so on. The fourth one is admin, Chang and Abdullah, and the last one was computer, Lahore and Daniel or Daniel. So there in our list, there were 5 records of our recipient with different fields, department, city, and name. So in this type of thing, we can send our letter with different information of the recipient to our colleagues, to our students, and so on. I hope, I hope, my dear student, that you would understand and you there will be no problem for you to understand it. And finally, I will request to you, please do this practice on your laptop or computer, and you please send your video to me on my, especially on my personal WhatsApp number. Okay, this is very important. And if you get any type of problem, you may contact to me through telephone, through WhatsApp, and through email. You can easily contact to me and you can discuss about any problem that you face while you are working on that. I hope that this would be beneficial for you. Thank you. Safe and sound at your home.